Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetable soup in your Ninja Foodi. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need about 6 cups of mixed vegetables such as carrots, celery, potatoes, and onions. Chop them into roughly 1-inch pieces. Also, have ready about 6 cups of vegetable broth and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a bay leaf. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, select the sauté function on your Ninja Foodi and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Sauté your onions and celery for about 5 minutes until they are slightly softened and fragrant. Then, add the rest of your chopped vegetables, 6 cups of vegetable broth, and your chosen seasonings. Secure the pressure cooker lid, ensuring the vent is sealed. Set the pressure cook time for just 5 minutes on high. Once the 5-minute pressure cooking cycle is complete, perform a quick pressure release by carefully turning the vent. This will release the steam rapidly. After the float valve drops, you can safely open the lid. Give your soup a gentle stir, and if desired, you can select the sauté function again to simmer it for another 5 to 10 minutes. This extra step helps to further meld all the wonderful flavors together. Your homemade vegetable soup is now ready to enjoy. Carefully ladle the hot, comforting soup into bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish each serving with some fresh chopped parsley, a sprinkle of black pepper, or even a small dollop of sour cream. This easy method in your Ninja Foodi delivers a nutritious and incredibly flavorful meal that your whole family will love. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.